Welcome to techie.com, your solution providers. This is Abhishek, and today we're going to be using the presets in Adobe Lightroom. So preset is one of the greatest features that we generally use, and it can be our own, or we can take it from any other sources if we wanted to, because preset gives us a pretty quick and easy editing option. And one of the best features of Lightroom is the very easy and very fluidic options that we get to use the presets in Lightroom. As you can see, the Lightroom gives us a pretty good amount of well-defined presets, and as you can see, we can have a little preview of the final images of these presets in the view panel over here. So let's jump right in, and so the first thing that we want to do is make a few amounts of different presets. And so, as some people like to use presets alone, and some people like to use a combined preset for the same image. Like for example, in this image, as you can see, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we convert it to black and white. And as you can see, the Lightroom gives us a pretty good black and white auto mix by itself, but we can further increase or decrease any portion that we want. Like if we want to make sure that we get more detail in the sky, then we want to decrease our blues and decrease the purples and magenta too. Now we can decrease the green too to make sure that we get more details in the leaves. And now as you can see, we can simply click on the plus sign over here, preset, and check none, and then click on the auto black and white mix and name this preset black and white, and then click create. And as you can see, this gives us our black and white preset and the users preset over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reset this image, and this gives us our original image back. And now what we're going to do is make some other selections by using the split toning over here. So in this second preset, we want to make a more sunset and warmth, add warmth to this picture. For that, we're going to press Alt and change the hue to the picture that we want. And I think we should give it a little warm temperature to give it a sunset and some dreamy vibe like this golden color. And now we're going to increase our saturation for this hue that we have made. And as you can see, this gives us a pretty autumn and warmth feel in the picture. And now we can just simply go to the presets and click plus and click set none, and go to split toning and name this preset as sunset if you want it to, and then click create. And this gives us our second preset of sunset, which is simply the split toning that we applied to our image. Now we're going to reset our image again, and this third time we're going to go to effect section over here, and we're going to add some vignette in our image, just a little bit, to give it a pretty good and warmth look that we want. And then simply we're going to go to presets and click the plus sign, make sure that we check none, and then we're going to go to effects and click on the post processing vignette and write this name as vignette and click create. And this gives us our third user defined preset, which is the vignette. Now many users like to create a mix of this portion over here. So for that, we're gonna go to the presets and name this new preset as black white vignette and click check none, post crop vignetting, auto black white mix and split toning, and click create. And as you can see, this gives us our untitled preset, which is a mixture of vignette, black and white. And now if we want, then we can simply create a new preset. First we're going to reset our image, and then we're going to go to the presets and add another preset, check none, and select post processing vignette and split toning, and can click create. As you can see, this gives us a new preset which is a mixture of the vignette and black and white preset. So we can simply save such presets if we want, as you can see, because it makes sure that our work gets easier. We can furthermore add more particular and singular presets to this too. We can use singular presets and multiple presets in one, but the singular presets actually gives us more command and more flexibility than this multiple preset. So it's all up to us what we want to use, and that was our using presets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.